Drenard Trust here. In this video, I'm gonna go over more penny stocks, right? You like the last video, so I'm gonna give you more penny stocks. This is gonna be a financial technical breakdown, no emotion. This is just hardcore facts, right? So let's get into it. So the first stock I have for you is AI penny stocks. So before I get into the AI penny stock, one of the things that you want to look into, or many things that you want to look into when analyzing penny stocks, is to watch for news or funding catalysts, right? Like news-driven surges are typical with the Vwave. Monitor technical patterns, right? So look for volume breakouts and price surges, but beware of pump and dump risks. You want to review float and insider activity. So low float stocks where there's few shares available can have extreme moves, which is great for short-term trading, but risky for holding, right? You want to check for financial strength, so ensure all new capital is for growth and examine cash burn rates. Now, the AI penny stock in question is the Vwave, right? The sector is AI-driven defense technology. Now, its shares recently surged up to 400% after announcing up to $55 million in new institutional funding to accelerate AI defense solutions. Now, since its NASDAQ debut in July 15, 2025, Vwave has climbed over 200% from its initial listing price. The business model is rather simple, right? It basically focuses on deployment of AI-powered defense tech, seeking to establish leadership in next-generation military applications, right? There are growth catalysts, right? What is the there is the major new financing, the SPAC merger, and a shift toward rapid product development. Now, in regards to funding, there's a $55 million in new funding, right? Basically, that includes the $5 million convertible notes for short-term liquidity and a $50 million equity line for future expansion. Now, the use of capital is basically directed at growth, not debt, which is a positive indicator for scaling operations. Now, profitability, it's still in its early stages, right? In its growth, right? It has a high cash burn, which is typical before you, cash burn. No, it's typical for young AI-focused companies, right? So basically, there hasn't been much analyst coverage yet due to the recent public listing. So, we're going with the traditional valuation metrics, right? And those are somewhat limited at this moment. Now, in regards to a very technical breakdown, the momentum, it has an upward momentum and it's basically strong because of the recent funding news. The stock showed an explosive upside move, basically in low float, news-driven penny stocks, right? Now, there are risks, right? It's not all good. There's a danger of dilution in basically high because of the equity line, right? The company can sell more stock in over 24 months, and convertible notes could pressure the price if rapidly converted. Now, there's also liquidity as well, right? Limited trading history in regards to it. And basically, there's no analyst coverage. That's additional volatility and risks, right? So that is an AI stock. I don't know if look. It's worth. It has a lot of upside. Now I'm gonna get into some crypto penny stocks that you're gonna want to look into. The first one we have is the HYLQ Strategy Core. Now the sector is blockchain, and it focuses on Hyperliquid, which is a fast layer 1 blockchain for DeFi. Now it's over 500% market cap growth since 2021 with a compound annual growth rate, that's the CAGR, exceeding 65%, right? That's roughly 880% total return over the past 3 years. Insiders own 12.5%, reflecting aligned interests. There's no dividend payout, profits reinvested for growth, right? Now, an overview of this, right? Small market cap enables high volatility and potential rapid gains. It has a negative book value per share and a net asset deficit, which shows financial risk. It's debt-free with no dividend, basically means higher risk, but basically a more growth focus, right? Don't get wild on me here, right? Now, changing U.S. crypto regulations and friendly stance could boost the demand for this, token, right? There's a possibility of major listing on the U.S. stock exchanges like the NASDAQ or the NYSE boost that has upside potential. So that's one stock. The next stock we have is the Sol Strategy Inc. The sector is Solana Holdings, and it holds large reserves of Solana tokens, right? Now, There are gains from Solana's volatility and strong performance. So the company benefits directly from the SOL price appreciation. So it has a major holding value of over 60 million in SOL at current prices. Its extreme sensitivity to SOL price fluctuations, which implies high risk, high reward, right? So that's that one. We have Bit Digital Inc., right? So it's in Bitcoin mining. So basically mining Bitcoin and selling into strength, offering leverage to crypto bull moves. The revenue is highly, cyclical, which tracking BTC price trends. Now it basically exposed is basically exposed to Bitcoin's price cycles. It generates revenues from mining operations. Okay, so that's that one. The next one we have is the Hive blockchain technologies. It's in the blockchain infrastructure and mining. Basically the price tracks Ethereum and Bitcoin mining profitability. Now, its operations is in basically a lot of countries, and contributing to the diversification. Now, the revenue comes from digital currency mining and sales. Now, it has exposure to both BTC and ETH, making it sensitive to both markets. The next one we have is the Sphere 3D Core. The sector is data management and blockchain infrastructure. Okay, so it offers convergence of data management and blockchain. Its hyper-converged infrastructure can benefit from cloud and blockchain adoption tailwinds. The business model is diversified beyond just mining, right? It has a cyclical revenue with growing blockchain presence. So there's a lot of things that's happening in the penny stock world right now. But so those were penny stocks in the crypto field, in the AI field, that you're going to want to look into. There's a lot of upside. Obviously there's going to be some risk because they're penny stocks. There's going to be volatility. There's penny stocks. However, these have the potential to be the cream of the crop. So that's what I have for today. Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. If you appreciate this video and you want more videos like this, please let me know that by hitting that subscribe button and the like button right now. I appreciate your vision. Stay safe. See you on the next video.